Hey friends, if you encounter the error Microsoft Store not opening or closes immediately after opening on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to adjust the date and time settings. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time in the right pane and then click on sync now. The next solution is to disable proxy settings on your system. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Go to the connections tab, click on LAN settings. Make sure that automatically detect settings is selected. If there is any proxy server here, then uncheck it and then click on OK. The next solution is to run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter, but this has been removed, so you cannot run this now. And the last solution is to clear the Windows Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type ws reset and hit enter. This will delete the Microsoft Store cache and open Microsoft Store once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.